Good morning, gentlemen and ladies, fellow traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye. I'm reaching you from the land of Biafra, West Africa. Time now is 11:41 a.m. Sunday, 19th day of September 2021. I want to bring you some features and stock analysis based on the advanced method of Elliott wave. So I won't take your time. I have done cryptos and for a currency pairs. Let me complete it for the week. Okay, let's start with US100. US100, that's NASDAQ. You can see we are in uptrend, but right now we are in correction. So the correction, you can see it very well in 4 hours. So let's go down to 4 hours. Okay, you can see this is our expectation, my expectation. A, B, C, or WXY. Anyhow, in the base, it doesn't matter. Once you know the structure. So I'll be looking for buy when the price comes to this level. US30. US30. Let's see the daily candle of it. Okay, they are the same structure. They are all moving up. They are all going up. That's the just starting. So let's go back to 4 hours to see how we can trade this pair. Okay, right now, selling this pair is late. In my own calculation, selling it is now late. If you missed to enter when this channel was broken, it's now late to enter because I'm expecting it to reverse within this blue box. This is where I expect it to reverse. So we are almost at a reversal zone. So look for buy. NIFTY. NIFTY is stronger than other indexes. You see, NIFTY just going up, 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 up. So any little pullback is a chance to buy again. But the truth is that I cannot enter this buy because I believe when market moves much, it will correct. So maybe you might enter the buy and something like this happens. This can pull back, begin to happen. So, but if you have been following it, maybe you entered it around here. All you will do is to move your stop loss to break even. So that after pullback, you enter again, or you keep shifting, moving your stop to break even. But to enter now, I think it's not my own idea of trading. Okay, there are many pairs to trade. There are many instruments to trade. Okay, NIKKEI. NIKKEI is, NIKKEI. Okay, let me show you daily first. Okay, NIKKEI has made 5 waves, and the correction is over. Okay, so this very move, when we get 3 waves move, then we buy again. So let's go back to 4 hours. In 4 hours, we can see this is a very nice move. I remember I told you to join when this line broke, and it's broken. Since then, the price has been going wonderfully well. For 2730 to 2060. So it's a very nice move. So now, what do we expect? I expect a 3 waves move, at least. When market begin to correct, it can change our structure. But minimum we always expect is 3 waves move. Sometimes it will do 7 waves, 11 waves. For instance, let me count this very wave to tell you what I'm trying to say. Let me just show you. Whenever market begins to correct, we always expect 3 waves. But you can see this is 1, 2, 3. Then it moves up again, and it make a big 1, 2, 3, went up again, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's condition for you. Why am I showing you this? The reason is simple. As I'm telling you, I'm expecting 3 waves. That's what I expect. And what is and that's what an average trader will always expect after a good bullish move. So as I tell you that I'm expecting 3 waves, it doesn't mean that it must be 3 waves, so that you don't enter if you don't know what a best setup is, because you can enter it, you do this, 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 do this before going up. So condition can evolve at any, can change pattern any time. So, but I'm looking for 3 waves. So why am I? That's why I will always tell you to join our class. If you don't know what a valid setup is, we teach you all these things to avoid making mistakes or trading blindly. So having said that, I'm using 3 waves, and this will continue. If it changes, I will know. Okay, so let's continue. Down. Let's see daily first. Same structure, they're all going up. On 4 hours, you can see that Dow is at our reversal zone. So I don't expect Dow to go any further up. Okay, so let me go to 2 hours to give you an idea of how to trade. Okay, so in my own idea, when this market closes above here, when the market goes above this level, then the buy can be good. And of course, you can buy from here if you know how to trade such. If you don't know, wait for it to close above this level. DAX30. DAX is a inclination. We will likely get WSYXZ. So let's see it on 4 hours. So you can see we have WXYXZ. This is what I'm expecting to happen. Okay. So, and of course, this can equally be a bigger WXY or ABC. So I'm expecting it to drop further before I buy. So selling might be late already. I can only sell if I can only enter a sell if I get something like this, or a move to this upper channel, then I can sell from there, or 3 waves, I sell from here before buying. Okay, that's a kind of trade I like to take. I can't just enter sell blindly here. No, it's not advisable, and I can't allow you to do that. UK100. UK100, those in my Telegram channel saw this, and I think I made this pattern last week. I have forgotten either you see this pattern on my last video, or those on my Telegram channel saw this pattern, and I said that the selling is not over. That if we get a pullback, we sell again. So I don't know if you take the advantage of the analysis, but meanwhile, this is when the trade started, when this channel is broken. So if you check it, it's a very nice trade. People have made many profits following it. So that's why you need to join our Telegram group. We have a free group and we have students group. You only pay when you are a student. If you are on a free group, you won't pay, but you have some benefits because from time to time I drop charts there. The charts will trade ideas. Tesla. Tesla is correcting, but the correction is too technical unless you are experienced. Okay, you know, all these things are forecast. Markets can change at any time. For instance, I'm expecting Tesla to give us another move up before dropping. So it can drop from here before going up, or it can just move very sharp and go up further. So such things are not ruled out in the market, but we always try to go in line with what is standard, what we always know. So markets can behave out of a normal move at any time without their permission. Having said that, what I'm expecting to happen is that Tesla will complete this WXY before going up and give us a final leg for big wave X, then drop and give us wave Y. So if my forecast is correct, it means that Tesla will soon drop to 400. Sorry, yes, to between 360, 400, 440, 450 area. So Tesla may drop to 450, but you know, not just this month or this month. It may take maybe towards the end of the year or even next year. So, but right now, let's focus on what's happening in this channel. This channel has been there. Let's focus on what's happening here. So if it dropped to this channel again, I'll buy from here. You have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 6 swings within the channel. So I'm looking for it to drop again. I will buy and watch out what happens here before the selling. Copper. Copper, I'm expecting a big, after 5 waves move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 waves move will happen. I mean, you know, there are degrees of wave. This is 3 waves already. Okay, but it's not enough for all this move from here. So we expect more. So that's why I labeled this W, X. Then with Y is dropping, but it will likely go up again to complete a pattern before it finally drops. So for now, if you want to buy copper, you need to wait. Though in 4 hours, let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, this is what I expect. I expect the pair to drop to this level, then buy again to this level before dropping. Okay, this is what I think will likely happen. But if it doesn't happen, maybe it will just go up to this level or drop straight to this level. So these two things are, why I'm showing you this is that I would like to buy it if it goes to this level and it gives me buy setup. I will buy. If it doesn't give me buy setup, I will leave it because it will just drop. Then if it comes up to this level, I will look for sell setup. If I get it, I will sell and target this level. So that's what I'm trying to tell you about copper right now. Nickel. Again, okay, you can see NIKKEI, we have a channel going up, and after this big drop, I was thinking that we will have another big drop, but it didn't happen. So that's why I always tell you that markets can behave in a strange way or abnormal way. The normal thing is that this big drop, we have another big drop, but it doesn't happen. So all these things is the reason you need education. When this one was happening, I know that it won't drop again, but there's something I see and that make me begin to think twice. But I have been expecting this to drop. Okay, so this is why you need education. Okay, let's go to 4 hours to see more data. Okay, and NIKKEI is even behaving somehow. This sharp move up, sharp drop, I don't get it, but maybe it is reacting to news. Maybe it's news. Okay, but structural wise, I'm expecting it to drop further to this level. Then I look for buy from this level. Structural wise. NASDAQ composite, expecting it to drop further and go up. So no, just like other NASDAQ NASDAQ instruments. So the further drop before going up. So no need saying about it again. SP500, no difference from other pays. Dropping is what I think it should drop again. It's been going up strongly. Yeah, but one thing is sure, from time to time, we see correction. This is correction, 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 pull back, pull back, pull back. So this is correction. Now it is breaking the channel. Will it go deeper? I don't know. But for now, I expect it to drop to this level, 4,370, 4,003. I mean, this very level, 4,300, 4,320, 4,350, and so on. This is where I think it will turn, unless it wants to do double correction, or complex one, or even triple zigzag. You know, it can just do as I expected, and drop to this level, and do this, and drop again, and do this, and drop again. So it's possible. Okay, so correction can take any shape at any time. But first of all, I expect it to drop from here, then buy again. Okay, that's the end of the video. I will remember you can join us, you can WhatsApp me, you can send me message on this very number is my personal number. The number is on Telegram. The number is also on WhatsApp, SMS, or any. In case you don't see the link to click to join our Telegram group, you can send me WhatsApp on this line, or Telegram on this line. I will reply you. If you want to join the students, you only take a little money, and we are giving you a very much value for the little money. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.